Hello everyone and welcome to Become Beauty Expert YouTube channel. If you are stuck in between which academy and makeup academy to choose, then today's video is for you because in today's video we are going to compare to one of the famous beauty academies of Rajouri Garden. We will compare these academies with offered courses per se, training quality, fee structure and placement. We will see which academy is good or which one is lacking. I know you are wondering which two academies I am talking about, and the name of the academies are RVMUA International Makeup Academy and the Red Fox Makeup Academy. So let's get started and find out which ones are good in what field. But first, let's talk about sponsorship. This video is sponsored by International Beauty Expert IBE. If you are looking for career in beauty and wellness industry, then International Beauty Expert will help to build you one. Benefits that IBE will provide are: first, if you run an academy, then you can get accreditation from IBE so that you will be able to give international certification to your students. Second, if you run a salon, makeup studio, nail studio, lash studio or spa center, then you can give IBE certification to your staff. Your staff will be internationally certified and your business will grow a lot. Third, if you have done a course in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian etc. from any Indian academy, then you can take IBE certification. This will make your profile strong. This certificate will help you a lot to grow your career. Fourth, if you want to do job in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian in foreign country, then you can do an international course from IBE. This course will help you a lot in getting a placement in foreign country. To contact IBE, call the number shown on the screen. Now back to the topic we were discussing earlier. RVMU Makeup Academy and the Red Fox Makeup Academy. Both of them are the top academies of Rajouri Garden for beauty parlor courses. The trainers of this academy are well trained, who teach the students about the courses in detail. Now that we are talking about the best academies in Delhi, first let me tell you about the top 4 makeup academies in Rajouri Garden. First we have Meri Bindi International Academy. Meri Bindi International Academy is one of the best beauty academies in India. Meri Bindi International Academy was started by engineer Mahi ma'am after leaving a job worth lakhs of rupees. Their aim is to provide high quality beauty training to the youth. Therefore, there is no compromise with the training quality at Meri Bindi International Academy. This academy is the best beauty academy in India to make a career in the beauty and makeup industry. This academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award in India by many national and international organizations. Also, Meri Bindi International Academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award from IBE, that is International Beauty Expert. This academy has 2 branches, one located near Noida Sector 18 Metro Station and the other in Rajouri Garden Metro Station in Delhi. Artists from big salons from all over India also come to Meri Bindi International Academy for training in advanced beauty, makeup, hair and nail courses. In this academy, only 12 to 15 students are trained in a batch. Hence, students book their seats here 3 to 4 months in advance. The Masters in Cosmetology course and the Postgraduate Diploma in Cosmetology course at Meri Bindi International Academy are recognized as the best cosmetology course in India. Meri Bindi International Academy provides world-class education to the students. This academy provides internship/jobs to all the graduates. Big beauty brands of the country give a lot of preference in jobs to the certified students of Meri Bindi International Academy. For more information, contact the details given on the screen. Second, we have Cyrus Mathew Makeup Academy. Cyrus Mathew Makeup Academy is one of the top 2 academies in Delhi NCR for makeup courses. From here, you can do a course and get a certificate. You can do many types of makeup courses from here. Let us tell you, this academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. If you want any kind of consultation to enroll in Cyrus Mathew Makeup Academy, contact on the number given below. Third, we have RVMU Makeup Academy. For the beauty parlor course, we have come to RVMU Makeup Academy on number 3 and we are going to talk about this academy in this video. Fourth, we have the Red Fox Makeup Academy. For the beauty parlor courses, we have come to the Red Fox Makeup Academy on number 4 and we are going to talk about this academy in this video. So now let me introduce both of the academies. RVMU Makeup Academy. This academy is located in Delhi. You can do a professional makeup course from RVMU International Makeup Academy. The trainers from here are well trained and they explain the courses in great detail. The Red Fox Makeup Academy. You can become a professional makeup artist by taking a makeup course from the Red Fox Makeup Academy in Rajouri Garden. This academy offers courses ranging from professional makeup courses to advanced nail art. All the trainers in this academy are highly professional trainers who give detailed knowledge of the courses to the students. Now let's talk about courses offered by both the academies. Courses offered by RVMU Makeup Academy. First, Professional Bridal Makeup Course. Second, Advanced Professional Makeup Artist Course. Third, Professional Media Makeup Course. Fourth, Character Makeup Course. Fifth, Complete Track Course. Sixth, Hairstyling Program. Seventh, Self-Grooming Class. Eighth, Airbrush Makeup Course. Ninth, Personally Development / Image Making. Courses offered by the Red Fox Makeup Academy. First, Professional Makeup Course. Second, Self Makeup Course. Third, Advanced Hairstyling Course. Fourth, Airbrush Makeup Course. Fifth, Basic Nail Art Course. And sixth, Advanced Nail Art Course. Fee structure of both the academies. RVMUA course fee. The fee for the complete track course is approximately Rs 1,80,000 and the duration of this course is 4 months. Other courses are short-term courses, and if you want to get information about other courses, visit the academy. The Red Fox Makeup Academy course fee. If you do a professional makeup course from the Red Fox Makeup Academy, then its fee is 86,000 plus GST and the duration of this course is 2 months. Other courses are short-term courses, and if you want to get information about the other courses, visit the academy. Now let's talk about internship and job in both the academies. Internship and job in RVMU Academy. If you do a makeup and hair course from RVMU International Makeup Academy, then let us tell you that this academy provides internships to some students. And let us tell you that after the makeup course, placement is not done in any academy, and there are no permanent jobs in salons and beauty parlors. Therefore, the charges for getting freelancer work instead of a permanent job are quite high. Internship and job in the Red Fox Makeup Academy. There are no placements of any kind after completing the course from the Red Fox Makeup Academy. After doing the course from here, you will have to apply for the job yourself. Now let me tell you about pros and cons of both the academies. Cons of RVMU Makeup Academy. First, RVMU Makeup Academy has good courses, but the duration of the courses are very short, and that is not a good thing for their students as they can't grasp the details about the courses they are taking. Second, their courses fee is very much high and the courses duration are short, which is awful for the students. Third, also they only offer courses related to makeup and have variety only in makeup courses and don't offer other courses. Cons of the Red Fox Makeup Academy. First, in every batch, 30 to 40 children are trained together. Due to so many students in the same batch, it is not possible to focus properly on individual student. Second, the training quality is not good and the management is very poor. Third, they do not provide internships / jobs to any students. Pros of RVMU Makeup Academy. First, this academy's selling point is that they have courses that are short in duration so that people don't have to wait for the whole year to take admission. Second, their expertise is in makeup courses and they have lots of variety in makeup courses. Pros of the Red Fox Makeup Academy. First, in the Red Fox Makeup Academy, 25 to 30 students are trained in a batch. Therefore, students here do not have to wait for admission. Second, they offer courses ranging from professional makeup courses to advanced nail art. Now let's talk about addresses of both the academies. Address of RVMU Makeup Academy. There are only one branch of RVMU Makeup Academy and it is located in Delhi. The location is listed on the screen. Address of the Red Fox Makeup Academy. The Red Fox Makeup Academy has only one branch which is in Delhi and the address is shown on the screen. So friends, if you want to do a beauty parlor course, visit RVMU Makeup Academy or the Red Fox Makeup Academy today and get your course registered. For more information, visit our website or call the number given on the screen. And if you want information about any beauty academy or beauty course, then comment. And if you like our video, then like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.